Why? Because he never signed the check when he gave it to me.
You say he didn't sign the check, so why didn't you go to him and say you forgot to sign the check? So you forged his initials 2 times in the stuff.
Yeah, I just wrote it. Yes, I did it. And I was wrong about it.
Did the defendant give you permission to do that?
No, but what happened?
I told you before I was going to get another one of these. Now I got 2 browns and 1 black. The black one's over there by the bed when I go to sleep at night. The other brown one I had originally over here is now at work. And this brown one will go right here by the computer center. And it's all good. Now I finally have all 3. Same thing, nothing different, nothing new. Don't get excited. It's just for over here. And I have the other brown one at work and the black one by the computer.
Defendant Travis Brown refused to tell the police in court, and as a result, is not allowed to appear before Judge Faye. He's countersuing for lost wages.
Why did you forge his initials on the check, sir?
When I went to the bank, I didn't know at that time that he was the business name. There was no business license at that time. There was no business account.
You never looked at the check when he gave it to you and said, whoa, he wrote this to my business company, not to me personally. I need to get him to rewrite this check to me.
That's something I should have done, and I made a big mistake.
Yes, you did, because you crossed out the name of the limo company and you put your name with his initials. You cannot do that.
I understand I can't do that.
The defendant then finds out that you have crossed out the name of the company and put your name with his initials. He approaches you and has a problem with that.
Yeah,
correct?
and I told him, well, meet me up in 30 minutes. So I gave him back the check before we started the account. Like, this is the $3,500 check you gave to me. That is it back to you. If we end up not coming to an agreement here, that means we don't have a business.
Oh, so you then turn around and write him a check out of your personal account
That's
for
correct.
$3,500?
That's
Did
correct.
he cash that check?
He cashed it an hour later.
You actually write him a $3,500 check.
The very next day.
Oh, the next day.
Yep, in 24 hours time, he got his money back.
Okay.
And that was on the 19th. And on the 20th, he called me and he said, you need to go get a lawyer. I was like, well, you already got your money back yesterday. Why am I getting a lawyer? He was like, well, you took my check. I was like, oh, Dad, I thought you understood. I explained to you that you had to pay insurance that money. And he said, meet me in 30 minutes. I met up with him and he said, well, you got to come up with $2,000. Personal check. He said I have to come up with $2,000 money order or cash to give to him so he could make everything go away. Otherwise, that he have spoken to the bank and he and the bank have already spoken about what they're going to do, you know.
He's essentially blackmailing you at this
That's
point.
correct.
You said you've already given him $3,500 back the next day.
Yep.
But then he follows up and says he will go to the bank and to the police if you don't give him an additional $2,000.
That's correct. He kept texting me, I have to text him.
Let me see the
He
check.
said you have 9 days left, you have 6 days left, you know.
What do you
and
mean by that?
I have 10 days to come up with $2,000. Otherwise, he's going to go do something with the bank and get some money. Need the case number. He got the money and left for Texas. And I tried to contact him to see if we could resolve it, but he never responded to my text messages. And you know, and when I finally filed a lawsuit, he called me up a couple days ago and he was like, you know what? You're just a little girl. You have a big problem. And I was like, you left me a voicemail that you just want to talk. Now I picked your call and you're saying
The defendant had been here today and offered testimony, he would have lost because you have submitted to the court significant proof based on bank statements and counsel checks that the defendant got $7,000 out of your account. The defendant wrote this check to your company to invest in the company. The right thing for you to do if you need that check to reach you personally is turn around to him and say, hey, because he had missed that in his answer, he didn't write you a check for $3,500. So it's not like you went and stole one of his checks and took $3,500. He wrote the business that check though. And so, but what you can't turn around and do is on your own then sign on his behalf and then put his initials when you scratch out and put your own personal name. You have to either put that into your business account and they're actually going to say you have to bring to your personal account. However, the next day, you gave the defendant back his money, which was the $3,500, so he was not at a loss for anything. What he does not get to do is then blackmail you and say he's going to go to the police unless you pay him an additional $2,000. And certainly he does not get to then steal another $3,500 from you, which is exactly what he did in this case. Travis Brown's counterclaim for having to miss work and be here today in court is dismissed. He refused to answer the questions when Officer Warren tried to swear him in. My judgment in this case is for you, sir. I'm ordering the defendant to pay you back the $3,500 he stole from you. Judgment for the plaintiff.
today that Judge Faith was able to see through me and gave the right judgment.
It's plain and simple. When you refuse to get sworn in properly, you don't get to appear in court and present your case to Judge Faith.
If you or someone you know has a dispute, don't take the law into your own hands. Let Judge Faith rule on it for you. To submit your case, go to judgefaith.com and tell us your story. See you in
I have that one, and I have that one. One of those, two of these. The brown ones are more powerful than the black ones. The black one is not that powerful, but it's good enough. If you're gonna go with one of these, make sure you get the F816, the more powerful one. Thanks for watching. No rude comments. That'll get you removed. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Now I got this one at work, and I have this one here, and I have the black one by the bed. Here's the black one. Look at the blade. Super dirty. And the brown one at work is exactly the same because I've been using it. High speed. It's not that powerful like the brown one, but it's still good enough. Still gets the job done. It's just not as powerful as the brown one. Spin down. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. No rude comments. Rude comments will get you blocked and removed. God bless you and go.